guys, hi, this is Conair. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing a mousse product that I've been hearing that pretty much get the girls popping and keep them popping. And basically it's called the Doux, which I know you guys probably have seen it before. I got this one at Target. It was $14. I've always been looking for a product that pretty much that keeps my curls popping after I condition it, because I've tried so many things to keep my curls popping. Only thing that did work was silicone mix, and that took forever to get off my hair. So I heard about this product. I know I'm late to the game. I know some people already did a review, and I was like, you know what, this is my review, how I feel. My hair is clean, zero product in it, not much is even a drop of oil, nothing is in my hair. It's pretty much bone dry. Today it's going to be out the Doux, so I'm going to wet my hair, I'm gonna come back, and then we're going to see how this bad boy works. Okay, so now this is my first section. Like I said, my hair has already been detangled. I just, I was trying to do the video and I was like, you know what, let me just do it now. So my hair has been detangled. I'm just making sure I can start working the mousse down. And every time, like, so from what I've seen, people, well, for what I've seen, but from what I've heard, people have, like, do section by section by section. As you can see, like, my hair is already detangled, so I'm just gonna throw it in there. And maybe I'm gonna do a little bit. I'm going to do a lot. I just hope this really works. I did this much, but like, and I'm just gonna. Oh, it smells nice. Oh, it smells like I can't describe the smell, but it smells like Let's Jam, the hair gel. Yeah, let's get up in here. Okay, got a little tangle up in here, but there we go. Like my cat, he over here smelling it. Okay, I don't know if I put too much, but well, what the hell? This is a tutorial. This is all about trials and errors. All right, so let's work this bad boy in, cause like I can never really find like a product where, I can actually like keep my hair the way it looks right after the conditioner. And I try to, put a white t-shirt on so you guys can like really see. So yeah, so far so good. So I'm going to do the back side, and then I'm going to come back when I'm like pretty much going around. So I'll come back in a video when I'm pretty much halfway done on this side, and then I'm gonna let it dry, and then we'll see what has coming.
Sudden gaze and time it started racing, but moments tend to fade and you're too far.
Don't judge me. This is how I want to do it. I'm obsessed with the smell. Obsessed.
I want you, you know that I want you.
Alright, so oh, you know what? I'm so busy running my damn mouth. I didn't even notice that how this. What? And mind you, I didn't even put the diffuser on yet. Oh my god, this is giving me so much tea and Tamara. Alright, so I'm about to finish up on this side. This side is still kind of wet, like I said, because like I'm being very gracious with it. Then using like 10 to 12 pumps. I'm not sure every inch is saturated. I didn't use the whole bottle like I thought I would, because I did buy 2 originally, because I thought I was going to use 2 bottles because I have a lot of hair. But no, and I still have plenty left for my sister to try out. They were not lying when it says high definition curls, because look at that. This is nice. Like I said, I don't care. Even though this side is a little more scratched out than the other, this side will eventually catch up. Um, I love it. I didn't see any other products under this brand because I have to go like to a beauty supply store or probably go to a bigger Target because only Target here in the city, they're small. They're very small, so the products are very limited. But $14, well worth the money. But this is really, really, really nice, and I will definitely buy this again. Like I said, and look at that. Oh, the I'll keep pulling this side so this side can match this side because I said I did the scratch method on this side and I let this side air dry. So I'm just gonna, just keep doing, just a little bit. Maybe I might add just a little bit more water, just get a little weight to it. But other than that, I love it. 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 This is gonna be my go-to. This is gonna be the go-to do for the summer, indefinitely, definitely because like this right here, can't explain it. This is gorgeous. I highly recommend you guys go get it. I love it. Like I said, this one, got a little length because I did the tension method with the blow dryer. But like I said, I'm going to keep yanking on this side out. And as you can see, oh, there it is. It's catching up. It's catching up. So I'm going to keep pulling on it so it look even. I don't have like a lopside do. So, because I've had that done before, like doing a wash and go. But there we go. I'm not going to tease it more because I don't want it but yeah. So anyway, thank you guys for watching the video. I am amazed. Hopefully you guys go around and go buy this product. You can find this, I'm not sure you can find it at Walmart, but you can definitely find it at Target. It was $14.99. Target the way. So anyway, so thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope to see you guys soon.